move the taskbar in Windows 11 to 4H2. So if you want to move the taskbar in Windows 11 to 4H2, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser. Now, after opening your browser, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Win. After searching for WintHawk, you need to go with the official website, which is winthawk.net, and it will take you to this kind of interface. You need to go with download, and once you click on download, it will download a file, right? So if it says it's unverified file, you need to click on that and then go with download unverified file, and your file will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you need to click on that file and then it will start the installing process. It will ask for installation. You need to go with agree, continue, or okay, or next, and your installation will be completed. Once you've installed, you need to open up your WintHawk. Now here you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with other mods, which is right here, explore other mods. And from here, you need to go and search for taskbar. Once you search for the taskbar, as you can see that here you will have taskbar height and icon size, or middle click to close the taskbar. You will have all of the taskbar settings right here. So you need to scroll down and here you will have vertical taskbar for Windows 11. If you want a vertical taskbar, you can go with the vertical taskbar, or you can also have other options, which is right here you will have Windows 11 taskbar styler, or you will have on the top taskbar. Here you will have taskbar on top for Windows 11, or if you want to go with bottom, you can go with search for bottom, or the left side or the right side or on the top. You can simply go with any one of these options, and once you find the particular option, you can go with details or just click on the option. And from here you need to scroll down, and here you will have all of the limitations. And now if you want the taskbar on top of your screen, you need to go with taskbar on top and click on install. Once you click on install, you'll be able to apply that and your taskbar will be on top. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.